Okay. So almost more than 50 people have said, so we'll just wait for 1 more minute people to join. Till then, I will be just talking about what Lion Gate portal is and why we all are here. आप सब यहाँ पर है because you know that today is a very very important date 8/8. Okay, ये तो सबको पता ही है. So why 8/8 is very important? 8/8 is very important because yes, true. Numerology में 8 is a sign of infinite, okay, infinity, which means it is beyond going time and space, okay. It ना जन्मा है ना खत्म होगा, okay. For for like for us, our spirits, our physical body die, we change our physical body from birth to birth, जन्म से जन्म बदलते हैं. लेकिन हमारी जो स्पिरिट होती है, जो हमारी सोल बॉडी होती है, वो हमेशा अजर अमर रहती है. ओके, इनफाइनाइट रहती है. एंड व्हाई 8/8 इज कॉल्ड लायंस गेट पोर्टल? बिकॉज एस्ट्रोलॉजी के हिसाब से ये लायंस लियो का सीजन है. ठीक है, जैसे एक्वेरियस होता है, लियो होता है, कैंसर सीजन होता है, ये लियो का सीजन है. इसलिए इस पोर्टल को, जब ये पोर्टल खुलता है तो ये लियो सीजन में खुल रहा है. दैट इज व्हाई दिस पोर्टल इज कॉल्ड लायंस गेट पोर्टल. Okay. Why this day today, 2024 8, it is more important because 2024, when you add in numerology, it is 8. It comes to 8, 2024 if you add 2 plus 2 plus 4. So it's 8. Okay. So इस वजह से इस साल में इस हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी एनर्जी की पॉसिबिलिटीज ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है. ओके, लेट मी जस्ट ऐड पीपल. ओके, इस वजह से इसकी इस बार की फ्रीक्वेंसी और ज्यादा हाई है. इस वजह से आपके जो मैनिफेस्टेशंस होंगे, आपके जो इंटेंशंस होंगे, उसकी पॉसिबिलिटी पूरी होने की 2 गुनी ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है. मतलब उन्हें 8 गुना ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है एक्चुअली. ठीक है, इसीलिए इसलिए हम मैंने ये सोचा कि ये वाला मौका नहीं जाने देंगे. और आई ऑलवेज डू दिस लायंस गेट पोर्टल एवरी ईयर and I do charge something, but this time I thought of doing it free so that nobody should miss it for any reason. So I'm glad that you have taken time out from your busy day for this, making best use of this Lionsgate portal. पोर्टल क्या होता है? पोर्टल मतलब एक ओपनिंग, एक सोर्स. ठीक है, एक सोर्स, एक वॉर्टेक्स. ओके, where there's energy. ओके, सो ये वाला पोर्टल जो है, इट्स लाइक ओपनिंग ऑफ गेट. इट्स लाइक हेवन के जो स्पिरिचुअल बॉडीज है, अपने जो स्पिरिचुअल बॉडीज है, जो यहाँ से क्रॉस ओवर करके दूसरे स्पिरिट वर्ल्ड में जाती है, वहां का गेट ओपन होता है. ओके, वहां का क्यों गेट ओपन हो रहा है? क्योंकि जो देयर इज दिस स्टार इन द स्काई विच इज कॉल्ड सीरियस. ओके, सो जैसे सन हमारी फिजिकल बॉडी के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, जो हमारी फिजिकल बॉडी को नरिश करता है, उसी तरीके जो सीरियस होता है, दैट इज फॉर आवर स्पिरिचुअल बॉडी. ओके, उसकी जो एनर्जीज है, इफ यू टेक दोज एनर्जीज इन, okay, these energies will be very good for your spiritual body, for your soul. It will be, you will be able to um, you will be able to maximize your soul's intention. Also you'll be able to connect with your intuition and your spiritual gifts and downloads from your spiritual guides. Okay, and from your spirit guides and from your ancestors. सो ये सब बहुत सिग्निफिकेंट है आज के डेट का. एंड यू ऑल्सो नो द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ दिस डेट. दैट इज वाई मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर हियर. ओके, आई विल नॉट बी टेकिंग मोर टाइम. मेरे लिए ये बहुत डेट इंपॉर्टेंट है, मैंने बहुत बार बोला है, क्योंकि आज के दिन 5 साल पहले आई लॉस्ट माई फादर ऑन दिस डेट. ओके, इमोशनल हो जाती हूँ. सो so this is the date which is very very important for me. Okay, so I think ki, anybody, you have lost anybody in your life and you are going through a grief or something, they are always around. They are your spirits, spirit guide. They are your guiding angels, and they will be guiding you more today. You will be able to, come in connection with them today more, because बोलते हैं ना कि जैसे आउटिंग में, जैसे हम हॉस्टल में होते हैं तो हमें आउटिंग मिलती है, हम बाहर जाके घूम के आ सकते हैं, उसी तरीके से आज आपके सारे एंजल्स को आउटिंग मिली हुई है. दे हैव दिस पावर टुडे टू ब्लेस यू एंड गाइड यू. ओके, सो मेक द बेस्ट यूज ऑफ इट टुडे. या ओके. तो कुछ नहीं चाहिए हमें, कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए है. मैंने एक कैंडल लाइट कर दी है फॉर माय फादर एंड फॉर ऑल योर स्पिरिचुअल बीइंग्स अराउंड एंड ऑल योर एंसेस्टर्स. ओके, सो यू डू नॉट हैव टू लाइट अ कैंडल. इफ यू वांट, you can. ओके अगर आप दिया जलाना चाहते हैं, लाइट कैंडल करना चाहते हैं, आप कर सकते हैं। अदरवाइज मैंने कर ली है तो इसलिए चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है। व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, आई जस्ट वांट यू टू बी फिजिकली एंड मेंटली बी प्रेजेंट हियर एंड सोक दिस एनर्जी, हैव दिस इंटेंशन, हैव दिस प्योर इंटेंशन of gratitude and service today. Okay, so let's just close your eyes. Okay, okay, just close your eyes, sit comfortably wherever you are, and start taking deep breath in. We have just started the meditation. I will not be allowing more people here now because then the meditation will be disturbed. Okay, so close your eyes, just take deep breath, and slowly, slowly, as you take breath, I want you to take your breath to your head. Breathe into your head. आपके अपने सिर की तरफ breath को ले जाएं. And when you breathe into your head, see that your head is getting relaxed. Any tension or stress on your head, your forehead, please let it go. Stress, let the stress go. जाने दीजिए उस stress को और relax करिए muscles को. जैसे जैसे आप breath को अपनी body के हर part पे ले जाएंगे, वैसे वैसे उस part को relax करेंगे. Okay? So now moving on to your face, to your nose and to your mouth, cheeks, relax your cheeks and your face. Now breathe in to your neck, relax your neck. Any tightness if you feel, relax it, let it go. Now breathe in to your shoulders and relax your shoulders. Up shoulders ko relax kariye. Any stiffness and tightness, let it go. Bring your awareness and your breath to your chest and to your back and relax it. Now breathe in to your stomach. Bring your awareness to your stomach and your lower back and relax it. Let go of any tightness in your body. Moving your breath to your thighs, your butts, and relax it. If there's any tightness in your buttocks, please release it. Moving on, breathe in to your legs and your feet. Relax your legs and feet and your toes. And the whole body is relaxed. You are here and now listening to my voice and taking the instruction. Your body is totally relaxed. All your thoughts, if they are wandering here and there, please call it back to here and now. And keep focusing on your breath. Today is the day when you have the opportunity to call on the energies, the high frequency, the vibrations, which will help you to manifest. Now I want you to, मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप अपना मुंह थोड़ा सा ऊंचा करेंगे, like you are looking up in the sky. Visualize yourself. आप अपने आप को visualize करेंगे कि आप sky के नीचे खड़े हैं. आप अकेले हैं. There's nobody around. You are only alone there. There's a vast sky in front of you. थोड़ा सा मुंह ऊंचा करेंगे. 90 degrees नहीं, only 45 degrees up, and you'll see up in the sky. There's nobody, just you. And when you look up in the sky, you can see a way, एक रास्ता देखेंगे सीधा आपके मुंह से, आपके सामने से. It is going up in the sky. There's no end to this way. इस रास्ते का कोई end नहीं है, बस ये चले जा रहा है ऊपर तक. I just want you to visualize that. And when you see this way, at the end, बिल्कुल end में, you see there this opening. Sky में there's this opening which has a bright light coming from there. बहुत ब्राइट लाइट ओपन हो रही है और धीरे धीरे दैट डोर, दैट पोर्टल इज ओपनिंग वाइड एंड मोर. धीरे पहले छोटा सा लाइट है, धीरे धीरे इट विल बी ब्राइटनिंग अप, इट इज वाइडनिंग अप, खुले जा रहा है, खुले जा रहा है. एंड इट इज नाउ बिग as you can imagine. And you are far away on this way and you can see up this portal opening for you. आप देख सकते हैं कि वो खुला हुआ है रोशनी का दरवाजा. Now, what I want you to do is focus on your third eye. अपनी आंखों के, अपने आईब्रो के बीच में अपना सारा फोकस लेके जाएंगे. And now you can see the way through your third eye. अपनी थर्ड आई से उस रास्ते को देखेंगे, उस पोर्टल को देखेंगे. And remember your spirit guide, your angels, or God, universe, whatever you believe in. Just remember them and ask them to give this energy to you. Welcome this energy to you. Let it come. Now you can see that energy from there is coming to you. Tell the universe that I'm ready. My physical body, my spirit is ready. My soul is ready to take in this energy inside. Let it come through your third eye. आप देखेंगे कि वो light, that energy, the high vibrational energy is coming to you through your third eye and it is entering your body. Okay, so let it come in the amount which feel comfortable to you. Let it come. Your body is ready to take it all inside. And as this light is entering your body, if there is any physical pain in your body, any part of your body, kahin par bhi aapko kuch dard hai pehle ka, I want you to take this energy, travel this energy to that part of your body. इस लाइट को, इस एनर्जी को अपने उस बॉडी के पार्ट पे ले जाए जहां पर आपको दर्द रहता है. इफ देयर इज अ हेडेक, टेक इट टू योर हेड. इफ देयर इज अ लेग पेन, take it to your leg. If there's knee pain, take it to your knees. If there is any problem in your organs, please take it to there, travel it to there with your breath. See that this energy is traveling to that part of your body and healing that part of your body. Just say, I'm letting this energy heal that part of my body. And if there's no pain or no disease or sickness in any part of your body, it's okay. Even then, let the energy travel every part of your body and tell the energy to heal it, to keep it healthy. And you'll see that it is healing. Feel the healing energy. Keep healing yourself. This is your opportunity to heal with this energy. Heal your physical body. Heal your physical pains. Once you have done that, now again bring in this energy through your third eye and take this energy to your heart. If you want, you can keep your hand on your heart and let the energy come to your heart. So if there is any heartbreak that you have, or any past experience which has wounded your heart, or if there's any grief or sadness in your heart, let this energy heal that part of you. This energy has potential to heal that wounded part of you, the wounded part which may be wounded by any hurt or pain or any past experiences that you had. Let it heal your heart and see that this energy, the high vibrational light entering your heart and healing it. And as you feel your heartbeat, you feel more relaxed. You feel the energy inside your heart healing your part, that sadness in you. And your heart will be bouncing and beating with gratitude, because this is the healing it was looking for. Take a deep breath to your heart and feel the healing. Once you feel that there's enough healing done, now I want you to again pray to the universe and ask this energy, this portal, to give you light to manifest your intentions. So what I want you to now to do is आपके third eye पर set an intention, like if you want whatever you want in your life, like I want abundance of health, abundance of wealth, or I want a fit body, or I want a happy family, happy relations, whatever intentions that you have, see that it is written in front of you, लिखा हुआ आ रहा है. If you are calling in for abundance of wealth आपके सामने लिखा आ रहा है, you can see it clearly with your third eye, the intention setting in front of you. Once you can see that written in front of you, pray to the universe. Pray to the universe that I have set the intention clear. I have set the intention very clear. Now, call in the energy, call in the power from the universe, this portal, to bring this intention to the reality. And when you bring in that energy, this intention will be absorbed in your body with the light. Okay. Now see that जो आपने लिखा है, it is absorbing आपकी body में with the light that is coming and moving in your all the part of your body, in your cells, in your tissues. And as this light energy moves and setting your intentions and making this intention reality, this light will slowly move down to the earth beneath you. Okay, let the light energy pass through you to the earth and form the roots that will ground you, make it firm. Make your intention very firm with these roots growing. Believe that your intentions are getting true with this potent of energy that is coming to you. And it is going to the earth to maximize it. Once you feel that the whole body is recharged with this energy, slowly take one deep breath. And now I want you to put your hands on your third eye. अपनी third eye पे अपनी 2 अंगुलियां रखेंगे. And slowly you will be closing this portal which has opened for you. अभी जो portal खुल गया था इसको बंद करेंगे. Okay? See that वो जो light आ रही है अब वो बंद होगी, and slowly you are closing your third eye so that जितनी energy अंदर आ गई है बस वो अंदर रहेगी. Okay? Slowly move your eyes. थोड़ा सा अपना हैंड को मूव करते हुए इसको पोर्टल को बंद कर देंगे, जैसे आप रब करते हैं. ओके. एंड फील दैट दिस पोर्टल इज योर थर्ड आई इज क्लोजिंग. ओके. Okay. So you have got the enough energy. Now what you need to do is, with lot of deep gratitude in your heart, please pray and thank the Lord Universe and thank your ancestors, thanks your spirit guide. Thank you so much. I have so much of deep gratitude in my heart that I am alive to witness this important date in my life. I am alive. My family is alive, healthy, thriving to witness this cosmic energy. And with all my gratitude in my heart, with open heart, I have received that energy inside me. And tell and ask the universe to guide you and show you the way to fulfill these intentions that you have set today, and show you the way. So from now on, whatever you will be doing, you will be getting the signs to move closer to your dreams. Say thank you, thank you, thank you 3 times. Take deep breath and slowly rub your hands and put it over your eyes and your face. And take deep breath and you can come to here and now if you're ready. As we complete our session, I just see, look at my phone screen. अभी 222 था ये. The moment I finished the session, it was 222. So it actually gives you a sign. I get goosebumps कि ये sign है कि आपने जो अभी जो किया है वो fulfill होगा और हुआ है. ठीक है? So this is a great sign that we got just when we finished this meditation. I hope this really helped you and this will help you. What I want you now to do is, today, whenever you get time, just light a candle and thank the universe and write wishes if you have any wishes. आप wishes को लिख भी सकते हैं date डाल के and with gratitude in your heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and keep it in your book or somewhere wherever you want to keep. Okay. So next year, when again this date come, you can open those wishes and you can see if those the wishes have been fulfilled or not, or you have been bestowed with more than that what you have written. Okay. Also, if you want to learn about manifestation, I will be coming with Master Manifestation program this month only. So I will be teaching you how to do away with your limiting beliefs and how you can actually set intention and how you can work towards your dreams. Okay. So feel free to get in touch with me. I will be sharing more information on the group and in my Instagram. Anything else that you want to share? How was your experience? Do share in the group. You can share it here also. I will be opening the MKP group for that. I will be sending recording. I will be sending the recording link in the group. So if anybody who has missed it can take the link from the group and do it any day today. Even if you miss it today, you can do it tomorrow also because this energy will be live. This energy will be there for 2 more days. Okay, so there's no need to panic. अगर आपने आज मिस कर लिया है, आज करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा है. राज नहीं कर पाते हैं तो भी इतना डरने की और घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. हम्म. I have opened the WhatsApp group so you can write your messages in that group also. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. It's always my pleasure. Okay, so the very important, two important dates in the field of manifestation is 8/8 and 11/11. So never miss those. Okay. और अगर आप यहाँ पर आए भी हैं तो क्या होता है ना, जैसे 50 people have said that they wanted to come but not everybody could come. There would be people who really wanted to come and couldn't come. इससे ये पता चलता है कि कहीं ना कहीं आपको यूनिवर्स भी आपको चाहता था कि आप यहाँ पर आए और इसको करें. ठीक है. सो यू आर दोज ब्लेस्ड ब्लेस्ड बीइंग. So never underestimate the power that you have. अबाउट मेकिंग द लिस्ट नेटवर्क वॉज लो. लिस्ट बनानी है मतलब आपको अपनी विशेष को लिखना है पेपर पे प्रेजेंट टेंस में और थैंक यू करके पेपर में कहीं अपनी बुक में रख लेना है. ओके दैट्स इट वी हैव डन. यस यस प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन क्यों नहीं मैनिफेस्ट कर सकती? आपने बच्चा मैनिफेस्ट कर लिया है तो फिर ठीक है. ओके बाय टेक केयर एवरीबॉडी एंड बी इन टच.